We are in El Cañón del Sumidero, this canyon in the state of Chiapas, wonderful place. And we are in one of the 5 viewpoints. This is called La Coyotera, where you can, it's called La Coyota, where you can see the river. I heard that it starts from Guatemala. And we're gonna go to another viewpoint, which is higher. I think from here is around 800 meters. So yeah, let me show you around. This is the 5th viewpoint called Los Chiapa, because this is where the indigenous people used to jump to the river when the Spanish people came to conquer. The indigenous group was called Los Chiapa. They had many battles here with the Spaniards. They ended up being completely eliminated because they did not want to submit. The shield from the state of Chiapas comes from this canyon. And actually the name Chiapas comes from this specific group called Los Chiapa. It took us like an hour to get down here from the viewpoint. And one tip is that last time when I came here, I didn't get to see the viewpoints because it seems that there's like one day that they're closed. So it's just something to consider if you want to see that high view. And now we're going to Chiapa de Corzo. We're gonna be on this boat. It used to be a fast running river. Because of the dam they built, now you can go on the boat, and I'm gonna show you around. I hope you enjoy it. And let's get started for this adventure. It's gonna take around like 2 hours to get there, and you're gonna see a bunch of different types of animals, crocodiles. These monkeys are called like spider monkeys. So once we got on the boat, the first stop was this store on water, this 7-Eleven on water, we could say. We saw different types of birds, and we just admire the size of these mountains. It's about 1,000 meters. So this waterfall looks like a pine tree. It is called Árbol de Navidad, which means Christmas tree. The Sumidero Canyon is one of the main attractions of the state of Chiapas. It's a rich place with nature and a variety of animals. It is one of the most important canyons in the world. You can see caves with different colors in the rocks and also different figures. We're exploring, looking for crocodiles, and here we found one. In this occasion, we saw over 20 crocodiles. Finally, we got to Chiapa de Corzo, a magical town, Pueblo Mágico, and is one of the oldest cities, not only in the state or in the country, but of Latin America. It was founded in 1528. The main plaza, this downtown part area, was inspired with Arab styles, and it was made with brick. So now I am in Chiapa de Corzo. It was a wonderful time. I felt like I was in a movie of Jurassic Park, seeing all those big rocks and mountains. We got to see a waterfall that looks like a pine tree, and also some caves and some interesting things, animals like crocodiles. And now we're gonna be here around an hour and 10 minutes because the tour guide has to take us back to San Cristóbal de las Casas. So we just came to a place to eat really fast. This place is called Restaurante Buffet Casa Estuar. Once you get to Chiapa de Corzo, everything seems to be expensive, every restaurant. But if you continue walking, you will find really good places to eat with traditional food. There was a buffet which was for 300 pesos, but we just walked one more block and we found one for 150. So just in case you want to save some money in your trip. Well, that was the trip for today. We're going back to San Cristóbal de las Casas. And if you like this video, like it, yes. And subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I talk about photography, media, social media, and once in a while I get to do a vlog of any place I go to explore. So thank you, and see ya for the next time. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1.